Hi, special friends. Welcome back to Mrs. Ashley's Learning Emporium. I'm Mrs. Ashley. Do you remember Wednesday we read a book called The Happy Tummy Hunt? We met our friends Bailey and Jonathan, and they learned all about how to keep their tummies happy by eating fruits and vegetables. Well, today is the day. On Fridays, we have fun. We have an activity related to the Happy Tummy Hunt. Today we'll be planting a fruit or vegetable of our own. Our vegetable today will be a cucumber, but you can plant any one that you like. We have our peat pot, which is biodegradable. We have our cucumber seeds, we have potting soil, and we have a spoon. If you have a scoop, that's okay too. We're going to put some dirt into our peat pot. And special friends, I might speed this up because it's going to take me a little while to get enough dirt into my pot. I think that's 3 scoops. Here's 4. What comes next? You got it. 5, 6, 7. I think 7's good. How about you? Now I'm going to open my seeds. And I think that I'm going to put 3 seeds in my pot. Are you ready to see my seeds? These are cucumber seeds. And can you see that? It looks just like the seeds out of the center of the cucumber because guess what? They are. Now I said I was going to put 3 in there, but let's do 4. Can you help me count 4 seeds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put them in the pot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm just going to push those down a little bit. I'm going to save these for later. And I am going to now add a little water to my pot. Are you ready? Now let's see. On the back of my package, there are some instructions. It says that these take 7 to 14 days to grow. But to reach full size, it takes 50 to 60 days, guys. But I think if we come back in a week, we'll get to see a little sprout happen. I'm going to put this one right in my window. I'll take pictures every day and post them here so you can see. We can leave these seeds indoors growing for 4 to 6 weeks prior to them needing to be in a full sun area. So we'll see how it goes. And don't forget, we need to water and fertilize our seeds often. Are you excited to see our cucumbers grow? I surely am. See you later, special friends. We'll have lots of more fun with many more activities. Here are my updates, special friends. Not much happened until day 8 when I decided to pull a seed out and see what was going on below the surface of the soil. And I saw that my seed started to sprout. I replanted this one and let it be for a couple of more days. On day 12, I got some action. I saw leaves start to grow from underneath the soil. I really like this project I hope you do too. I like this project so much that I decided to plant another peat pot with cucumber seeds. We'll see how long this one takes to grow.